Hello friends, hope you're doing good. Sometimes we want to restore the software on our phones or we want to recover our phones. But without the help of any reliable application, this thing seems difficult. In today's video, we will go through an application named as TunesKit iOS System Recovery. That is a comprehensive tool which can help you with many iOS system issues, and it also comes with some of the free features as well. In today's video, we will be particularly focusing on factory reset using this tool. First of all, go to the official website of this tool. For that, you can click on the link in the description. Once you access the official website of TunesKit iOS System Recovery, you will land on this page. Here you see some of the main features of TunesKit iOS System Recovery tool. These features include fixing 150 plus iOS system issues like Apple logo, boot loop, and green screen, etc. You can upgrade to iOS 26 or downgrade iOS 26 to 18 without jailbreak. You can recover iOS iPad operating system to normal at home with no data loss. It also brought a new feature where you can permanently erase iOS data before selling your device. There is a free feature where with one click you can enter or exit recovery mode on iPhone, iPad and iPod. Another free feature is to fix 210 plus iTunes errors like 4013, 75, 1110, etc. Here you can also see the pictorial representation of the type of errors TunesKit iOS System Recovery tool can help you with. And when you scroll down the page, you will find all the features and comprehensive detail about TunesKit iOS System Recovery application. Now let's proceed and install this application on our device. Once we open the application, then this would be the interface. Here you see many of the main features of this tool. We have iOS system repair, upgrade or downgrade iOS, anti-recovery eraser, enter or exit recovery mode, reset device and many more. Here we are going with reset device option, so we will click there. Once we click there, we will get two options: standard reset or factory reset. In standard reset, you can restore the device to default setting. It does not cause any data loss and your device must be unlocked. In factory reset, you reset the device to solve problems such as forgotten passwords, etc. In today's video, we will be going with factory reset. And before that, make sure that your mobile phone is connected to the laptop via a USB cable. Also keep in mind that factory reset will erase your data and your device will be updated to the latest iOS version. Now let's click on factory reset. Once clicked, then you see the device's name here and the firmware version, which is the latest iOS. Then click on download. It will take a while and then the firmware will be downloaded. Once the firmware is downloaded, then you will get this option on your screen. Once the firmware is downloaded, then you will get this option on your screen which says Start Factory Reset. You click there and the system will start factory reset on your phone. It will take a while until the process will be done. Once done, you will get this message. Then you can turn on your device and you will see that your iPhone has been updated to the latest version of iOS. Your device will now be perfectly okay to use. So that's how you can use TunesKit iOS System Recovery tool to factory reset your device. Other than this feature, you can also solve many system errors that your iPhone is facing. If you want to reset your device, then you can follow the official link to this website which is given in the description. And that's it from Teach a Friend in today's video. Hope to see you in the next one. Until then, goodbye and take care.